I would suggest people to join such industry relevant skilled training sessions so that they can gather strength, confidence in building up their career. Myself Srila, by profession I'm MBA in Finance and International Business. I started off my career in non-banking financial sector initially, and it's been years that I've been working. It's like I have taken a little bit of career break recently, so I really wanted to restart my career. I thought I would join the banking sector. In order to proceed for the banking profession, I was just going through the websites and all, not to upskill myself. So I happened to go. I happened to check the Big C website and the advertisement and all, and I finally gone through the website, success stories, and then I just contacted Big C team, and they followed up me, helped me in suggesting the relevant course and guided me further. They helped me choose the retail bank or course, and it's definitely an add-on and definitely good ultimately which helped me career my banking sector. I remember initially one of the counseling team had contacted me and discussed about the course, everything. And after sharing my resume with the team, with the concerned team, I think they have seen the resume and experience that I have. So based on that, they give me a discounted offer with the course, and they suggested to proceed making the initial payment. And after that, once you have secured the job, you'll be able to make the next remaining payment for the upper placement. So in that procedure, initially I had a bit of confusions, but later on concerns got cleared, and then I started off the course, making the initial amount, and the session started. And while joining the session, I felt it was worth it. It had been informative sessions by relevant team, and support was immense. Immense support from the our mentors, especially Rushi ma'am, Renia ma'am, Hasni ma'am, everyone. He helped us constantly throughout the sessions, giving us the experience. They share the real experience that they have in the banking sector, and this give us an idea about how to proceed further in learning and all. So we are always, I think I could approach the mentors if we had any doubt related to the topic and all, helping us in the assignment. So yes, I would definitely suggest people who are seriously looking forward for a career in banking, because with the right knowledge and the training sessions that they're providing will actually help you without having any knowledge. Very difficult in pursuing a career. So if you're given the right knowledge, right inputs, uh, right quality of training sessions, everything, you will be definitely reaching a career. So I think people who would like to start a career in banking, you should join such sessions, deciding where the people lack the skill. So Big C, as the name itself, like bridging your skills gap. So it definitely helps you in developing your skills. And I think that's something that's required to start your career in the field of your choice, whether it's banking or non-banking, whichever sector it is. So I think skill development is something very important that you need to build up your career. I'm being selected for HDFC Bank into the customer service section. It's something, it's leading banks in India, leading private sector banks in India. So getting an opportunity to work with such an organization is definitely an achievement for me. So what I would like to tell is, there's initial placement support. Initially, they start preparing us for the placement. Like once you are with the course, or once your course is about to get over, they started giving us the preparation, initial preparation for the HDFC Bank. Like for me, HDFC Bank was the first attempt. So they helped us in getting the entire system. Like initially the test, helping us with the test, then interview preparation, CV preparation, everything. So everything is covered, and also helped us in grooming. I mean, the ultimate grooming, and step by step, everything was fine. It was smooth only. Just the basic introduction, basic our introduction, previous experience, everything was checked, and just yeah, it just went well. That's it. It didn't. It was not that tough to me. That's it.
Okay.
As like for Big C, while joining Big C, I was hesitant about it initially. Like, but then while the course started, it helped me improve my skills relevant to the respective industry in the field of banking. So I would suggest like someone who would like to start a career in banking and gain valuable experience, then they should join Big C so that they can gain experience. They can gain skills, build their knowledge, everything. So I would suggest people to join such industry relevant skill training sessions so that they can gather strength, confidence in building up their career. So I would recommend everyone to join. If you're confident about providing the good customer service, you'll be able to get that good references, and that should definitely help you building sales. I think that is something which we should be able to focus on, providing the right customer service.